A powerful weather system dumped rain across Taiwan on Saturday, triggering widespread flooding in the country.
在南高屏的外海这个地方也是陆续的这个对流形成，然后逐渐的移进陆地。所以当这个对流移进陆地的时候，沿海地区一直到内陆都有比较明显的降雨。
Miaoli was worst hit, with rainfall triggering flooding and landslides. Transportation links have been affected, with railway services suspended after track foundations were washed out. Shuttle buses are being used to pick up the slack.
当然不方便的，因为竹南到这边，它这波车也有限，只有2台在来回这一波啊。
班机将延迟起飞。
Flights in central and southern Taiwan were also temporarily disrupted.
他是说，因为有雷雨的关系，所以就是飞机会有延后的关系。对。
The Economy Ministry says the rains delivered just over 95 million metric tons of water to the country's reservoirs, helping ease water shortages after a string of dry months in the country's west. More precipitation is expected Monday as Taiwan moves closer to its spring rainy season, known locally as the plum rains. Lien and Sanei for TaiwanPlus.